It's a freezing morning here in Springfield, Virginia, about -9 degrees Celsius, but it feels closer to -14 with the wind. The snowstorm's still coming down hard, and the plows have left a solid wall of snow behind my car. Time to put the Audi Quattro to the test and get it out of this ditch of packed snow. Let's see how it handles this winter mess. Without any struggle, I ease the Audi back a few meters, carving out a narrow path through the thick snowbank. It wasn't just about moving the car, it was about making sure I wouldn't be trapped later when the sleet hits and everything turns to ice. The air bites at your face and every breath feels sharper than the last. I had planned to take a short drive around the neighborhood just to see how the roads were holding up, but then word came that a pole was down nearby. So instead I decided to stay put. Better to be safe at home than stranded out there in the storm. The sleet and ice are on their way, and I know what that means. Once the snow hardens, it'll turn into a solid layer of ice that's almost impossible to remove. So I grab the snow brush and get to work, sweeping thick, powdery layers off the roof and windshield before they freeze over. Each swipe sends a small cloud of frost swirling through the cold air. My fingers are numb, but it feels good seeing the car slowly come back to life from under all that snow. As I'm brushing the last of the snow off the hood, you can probably hear the neighbor's kids playing behind me. Sorry for the noise. They don't seem to mind the cold at all, running and laughing in the snow like it's the best day of winter. It adds some life to the quiet storm, a little reminder that even in this freezing weather, there's still some joy in the air. I go ahead and start the car. And you can probably hear it struggling a bit to come to life. If I forgot to mention, this is a diesel Audi Q7 Quattro. So that rough sound you're hearing is just a cold diesel engine waking up in minus temperatures. Nothing to worry about. It's normal for a diesel to sound a bit louder and harsher on a frigid day like this. Once it warms up, it'll quiet down and settle into its usual smooth idle. After finishing up with the Audi, I'll give my other car a quick clean too. It's way too cold to stay out here much longer. The wind cuts right through and my hands are already numb. I'm just going to knock off the heavier snow so it doesn't freeze solid overnight. Once the weather improves tomorrow, I'll come back and finish the job properly. For now, it's all about staying ahead of the ice and getting out of this cold as soon as possible. Alright, that's it for today. Both cars are cleared just enough to handle whatever the storm throws at us next. The temperature is still dropping, and the sleet's not far off, so I'm calling it a day before everything turns to ice. Days like this make you appreciate a warm house and a hot drink even more. I'll check back tomorrow once things calm down and see how bad the freeze really got. Stay safe out there, everyone. Winter in Virginia doesn't play around.